How to pay using Gcash in TikTok Shop. Let's get started. A TikTok Shop is basically an e-commerce platform within TikTok. You can directly buy and sell products as you show your videos. This is also a Shopify integration with the TikTok Shop if you need an external site to maintain. In order to pay using Gcash in TikTok Shop, you'll need to add Gcash as a payment method. For that, what you have to do is head over to the TikTok Shop tab, then navigate to the option Payment. Under Payment Methods, you're going to find various options. Select Add Gcash. Now go ahead and provide your credentials of Gcash. Type in your number. Then you will be receiving the code. You'll need to type in that code. Then enter your 4-digit MPIN. Once you provide all the details, your Gcash will be added as a payment method in your TikTok shop. Now, whenever you purchase anything from the TikTok shop, you can use Gcash as your payment method. So this way you can add Gcash as a payment method in TikTok shop. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.